Yes, guys, YouTube automation for beginners. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create automated videos for YouTube so that you can make money on a daily basis, like a cash cow, basically. And I'll show you how these guys do it. Now, check this out. I've opened up YouTube to this channel which is called Everyday Money. It's got 264k subscribers, and all they literally do is create automated videos. Now look at this video that I've chosen. It's got 1 million views, guys. That's crazy. Imagine how much money this video is making. And all it is an automated video. Let me play it. Look at this.
The best aspect is that there are no limits. You may type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or computer. And it's completely free and accessible from anywhere on the globe. Make sure to watch this video all.
Guys, that's all it is. Literally, it does that for the whole almost 11.59, nearly 12 minutes, right? And it's talking about earning $150 by typing names easily. So what it does is it talks, it's got a voiceover, and it goes through like a video with some nice music in the background. And this is one of the easiest things to do, guys. So what you need to do is you need to think about is what kind of niche do you want to get into? What kind of automated YouTube videos do you want to do? Now you can find out through many ways, especially if you wanted to use something called Chat GPT. And guys, you must know about Chat GPT by now, because this is the go-to place if you want to know about stuff and what to do. So for example, if I just type in something like, I used this earlier on, if I just type in something about fantastic YouTube video ideas on making money, right? On making money, let's say, yeah? Let's say online, because it's probably easy. And then click submit, right? On Chat GPT, and check it. It's going to give me some answers: how to start drop shipping business, how to create an online course. Gives you loads of fantastic ideas you could do right now. And then what you do is you let's say we use the first one, right? How to start a drop shipping business, right? Let me copy this one, right? I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to type it in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for an article. Okay, I'm going to look for some kind of script article. I don't know, like something written that goes through it. Okay, so let's have a look at how to start dropping step by step. Now let me go down the ultimate guide to drop shipping 2023. Right, I'm going to look at this one very quickly, guys. I'm going to take you through this step by step. So what you do is find a little article. So let me just take this part of it, right, for now. Just this one part, because I want to show you like how it works. So obviously you'd get a longer look. Like find a lucrative niche. It tells you exactly how to start step by step, define your target audience. So actually, let's go for step one, right? Let's go for step one in terms of how to start a drop shipping business, which is finding a lucrative niche, right? So taking that first step, what I'll do is I'll copy that. Now, I'm not going to take it as it is, right? You've got to change it. You can't just use something that's already out there that someone's written. You either write it yourself or you paraphrase it or change it up. So what I like to do is I like to go to something called Quillbot. Okay. And Quillbot is fantastic because what you can do is you can literally, let me paste the writing there. Okay, so I've just pasted the drop shipping one, right, that I got from that website. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click paraphrase. So what it's going to do is going to change it up and make it into my own words or into a different set of words so that I can actually use it now because it will be mine. Okay, so click paraphrase, and then on the other side of this, it will change it up. And there you go. There you go. Look, it's changed. So unless you're drop shipping private labels, there it is. There's a good probability that other merchants, can you see? It's changed it. So now I can use it, right? So this is the way to make sure that your work is unique and it's yours. Change it up, either rewrite it yourself or use something like a great website like Quillbot, which will basically change it into your own words. Copy that in the corner. Take that, go to PICTORY. And like I said, look, PICTORY is the go-to place to make automated videos, guys, easily and quickly. And you're going to be surprised how quick this is. But like I said, check out the free trial in the description below and you'll see exactly how it works. But I'll show you right now, guys. Look at this. Check this out. So if I go to the first box, which is like you can start typing, copy and paste your script. There's so many ways of doing this. You can get an article URL. You can get you can edit your videos. You do visuals. It's your go-to place for video editing as well. So let me click proceed. Right, let me put my script that I've just copied, right, that I've created, and paste it here. Let me paste it, Control V. There you go. Right, so this is the first. And remember, I didn't use something that is massive. What I would usually do is I'd use obviously more, get more information. But let me click just to show you how it works. Let me click proceed. Let me see how we can do this. So obviously now it's taking that information and then it wants me to choose a kind of template. So remember, I'm talking about drop shipping. I want to try and get something that kind of maybe, you know, that has something to do with it. But like I said, look, if you looked at the money one, that YouTube channel, it doesn't really exactly relate. So it doesn't really matter too much as long as it's quite nice, quite interesting. Okay, so let me just click on something now. So let me select this one. And then obviously make sure that I got the right aspect ratio, which is like the YouTube ratio. And then what it'll do is it's going to like upload this video storyboard, which it's creating right now. It's going to do it real quick, guys. Look, imagine people can spend so long doing videos and this literally takes 5 minutes to do. And then you can just upload it. All you need to do is just get it writing and then you can put it on a template. So guys, look, you can see that PICTORY is finalizing text to video, visuals are ready, 100% completed. And any minute now, it's going to come up on screen and it's going to be done. And then I'm going to show you a few things that you can do just to make it even better. And then literally that will be the automation step. So have a look at this. Let's just have a look at this. Let me click preview. Now. Look, they even put something to do with e-commerce in the background. They've even had, they put something that relates to it in the background. Look at that. I'm a business owner. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now, it's amazing. Look at this. They've broken it up and they've just added something. Now, what you can do is you can move this text. You know, you want it's too high. You want to make it. You want to bring it down low. Wait, let me just. You can bring it down. You can make it lower. You can move it around. You can do anything with it, guys. Look, I've just moved it slightly. Then I can click preview. Yeah. So I've dropped it a little bit. I can make the font size smaller. Now check this out, guys. I need to add a voiceover because remember the other one had a voiceover. I can record a voiceover if I want. It can be my own voice, or I can upload one from the system on the software. And I can check out what they've got. So I can see, let me see what voiceovers they got. They got loads, guys. Let me just see. Ava, the female voice. Let me click that one, see how that works, and then click apply. Now let's see how that works. Check this out, guys. Look at it. It's preparing the video preview and it's going to upload it anytime now. Check this out, guys. This is crazy good. Look how quickly it's happened.
Niching allows smaller enterprises to lower the level of competition that prevails in markets when commodities are widely accessible.
See that, guys? Look at this. Let's do the same with this one. Check this out. Look at this. Check this out, guys. So obviously, for now, because it's at the beginning of this one, it's kind of preparing them all. But literally, you just make sure that you click on them.
For instance, there will be a ton of competition if you sell coffee.
Did you see what they've done? They've literally, because part of the writing was to do with talking about coffee, and they've actually put an image of a coffee grinder in the background. Look at that. This is how smart this AI automation is, guys. See, this is what I'm saying. This is how amazing it is. So let me just drag this down. See, I can change it, drag it, or change the font style. And now it should be able to, let me just click preview, put the voiceover in it because I haven't clicked it previously, and then it will work seamlessly, guys. Let's see how it looks.
But your competition suddenly becomes much less fierce if you sell vegan coffee.
Now, guys, that's what I'm saying to you. You get to see what the video is like, and then you can change it, get different slides, get different writing style, get a different voiceover. But literally, this is how to do it, guys. This is so amazing. So look at this. Check this out. Let it come up. It's just all quick as well. It's like literally quick to do. So now we're going to quickly do a little preview. Just let me see if I like it, if I don't, and then what I'll do is I could
There's a good probability that other merchants will sell your products unless you're dropshipping private label goods or utilizing a print-on-demand business model. So how can business owners stand out in a competitive industry? They achieve this by locating a profitable dropshipping niche. An area of a broader market known as a niche market is distinguished by its particular demands, preferences, identity, or interests. Niching allows smaller enterprises to lower the level of competition that prevails in markets when commodities are widely accessible. For instance, there will be a ton of competition if you sell coffee. But your competition suddenly becomes much less fierce if you sell vegan coffee. If you were to target a certain market, like selling vegan coffee.
Guys, what do you reckon? Now, look, granted, I think the writing was a bit too big and I'll probably keep it really low, smaller font, so I can see the images better. But do you know how amazing this is? This is done. Like, this is amazing. Now, I could just knock out videos very, very quickly. But guys, check out PICTORY, check out the other software that I love using, and the link in the description. Check out all the other videos that I've got in the top, which basically shows you the playlist of all the videos, all the things that I talk about, automation, chat GPT, and all the other things. And if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.